The attic is a great place for horror movies. It's cramped, uncomfortable, and usually dirty. But today, I want to make this space the best place to sleep. If you an optimist like me, welcome to the Runman Records Design channel. Today is going to be fun. Why did I get this idea? What I dislike most are spaces that aren't used for their intended purpose. These rooms are usually filled with useless junk that will sooner or later end up in the trash. The attic is one such place in the house. First, let's tidy up the attic. We take all unnecessary trash to the dumpster or donate it. This will help you not only get rid of clutter, but also make new friends. Things that will help make the attic a cozy place. Before we get to decorating, it's worth considering attic lighting. Typically, a single light bulb hangs in the middle, not enough to create a cozy space. To save energy, use LED lighting. The color of the room matters a lot. Choose a neutral, warm color that will soothe and lull you to sleep. Warm beige or sage are excellent colors for your attic. Personal opinion. I think the attic is the perfect place for a guest room, as this space is often empty or cluttered with all sorts of junk. Let me know if I'm right or not. Comfortable furniture is very important. Choose a guest bed as you would for yourself. Who knows, maybe this room will become your favorite. Remember, the best bed is one with a slatted base and made of durable material, metal or wood. Essential for comfort. Pillows, blankets, and decorative elements all enhance the coziness of an attic bedroom. Also, remember that fresh air, darkness, and quiet are essential for good sleep. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I won't keep you. See you next time.